Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dual apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, I have two Facebook apps. I usually use two different Facebook account by using dual apps. So I'm provide how can easily set up. So open your settings, scroll down, press on advanced feature, scroll down, then we get dual messenger option. Just press on, then showing it to all social site, Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat. Like use my dual WhatsApp. Just tap on to install. Okay, now install my dual WhatsApp in my first WhatsApp and the second WhatsApp. Okay, I usually use two different WhatsApp. Just need to log in another account. So that's it.